guys, I'm in Los Angeles. It's pretty windy. I'm looking west. What is that? West Los Angeles? What? Hollywood, Pacific Palisades? I don't know, but it looks like some fire clouds. Now they forecasted last night that there would be Santa Ana winds and fire danger. There's downtown LA looking north from my balcony. There we are. Clouds are strange. Anyway, the winds are kicking up. It's not in South Los Angeles where I am, but it looks like there's a fire breaking out over there towards Santa Monica. This is looking towards the west, towards the sunset, towards the beaches. I'm in South Los Angeles. So something has broken out over there. I'll check the news. Anyway, y'all, keep us in your prayers. They said it could be some blackouts and damaging winds. There's Hollywood. Griffith Park. A Hollywood sign. I don't know if you can see it.